For over 2 centuries, the European rail network has kept us connected through transit and trade. Today, the European rail ecosystem is a strong industrial advantage for the continent, with an expertise praised all around the world. As our sector faces increasing competitive pressures, investing in breakthrough technologies to help Europe achieve its sustainability and mobility ambitions is critical. These innovations take many forms. Autonomous train operations boost network performance. Predictive asset maintenance extends the train's life, while the digital automatic coupler enables faster, cost-effective freight operations. This is what a resilient rail network looks like. One that carries more passengers and transports more goods in a more sustainable future. Europe's Rail Joint Undertaking has been one of the main engines of transformative innovation, and Wabtec is proud to be a founding member. Europe's rail is helping develop and deploy new solutions on track and in rail yards across Europe. With Europe's rail, we link research and development to deployment, and we ensure technologies are interoperable. Rail infrastructure and rolling stocks have long lifespans. Continuing to make these forward-thinking investments will help European rail maintain its position as a global leader.